Have you tried out this Gmail feature yet? I am so excited to share this with you because I was so excited that it finally showed up in my account. I heard rumblings about this feature maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, but it never showed up in my inbox. And so I thought, maybe this was just rumor, but I am excited to share that it is finally here. Now, what is it? It is Subscription Manager. So how do you get there? So first, you're going to go over to More. Then you're going to click on Manage Subscriptions, and then I'm going to show you the magic here, right? So instead of having to manually unsubscribe from things or remember to do that, instead of having to use a third-party tool like EnrollMe, you can now within Gmail see everything that you are subscribed to all in one place. And you can go from this one place, scroll over and just unsubscribe from anything you don't want to be subscribed to anymore. Now, make sure you don't unsubscribe from my email list if you're on it. And if you're not, get on it. But go ahead and see what you've got in there. Because if you are finding that you are subscribed to so many things that most of your inbox is just spam all the time, it's just all the stuff that you did sign up for, and maybe you do want you want the coupons or whatever, but you can now get rid of it all in one place, right? You can keep only the things that you want to. You don't have to kind of remember to do it when you're in your inbox and seeing something and scrolling to the bottom. You can just say, what am I subscribed to? Do I want to be subscribed to it? And if not, ding, 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 you just go through and you unsubscribe. Super, super simple. And I am very excited that this is here because now I have got some work to do because you know what? I probably don't need all of these subscriptions. Some of them I do, I can tell, but some of them I definitely do not.